Hey, what's up you guys? It's Aria and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today's video is going to be kind of like a how I style my curtain bangs plus some of my go-to hairstyles. This is not going to be anything revolutionary or complicated because I don't like to spend that long doing my hair. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but I actually switched to a middle part recently. It might be a little bit asymmetrical right now, but definitely a lot more of a middle part than I had before. I used to always part my hair to the side. I've even had people comment on my videos and tell me that I should do a middle part, and I was always like, no, trust me, it looks really bad. Over winter break, I randomly just decided to try a middle part, and I actually really liked it, and I was like, wait, why have I not been doing this? I did a video maybe a couple months ago where I got my hair cut. I'm not really sure if these are considered curtain bangs anymore because they're kind of long, but they're definitely like face framing pieces, and I have a lot of layers in my hair. My hair is naturally pretty thin, so I like having layers because it gives it more movement. My hair is also dyed, which I feel like makes it hold hairstyles a lot better actually, because it's just kind of like lightly fried. Also, this one piece of hair is just like not cooperating with me. Of course, the day I decided to film a hair video. So the first part of this video is just gonna be like some heatless hairstyles, my go-to hairstyles. Literally, they're all so easy because like I said, I hate spending like long periods of time on my hair. And then the other part of the video is gonna be how I like to style my hair with a curling iron. And I even have like a discount code for you guys. You should definitely watch the whole video. So yeah, let's just get into it. So the first hairstyle that I like to do all the time is this little updo. It kind of makes me feel like a mom from the 90s, but I really like it. So I just use one of these claw clips. I have a bunch that I got from Amazon. I have like 4 different ones that are like matte colors, and then I have 2 tortoiseshell clips. The way that you do this hairstyle kind of depends on the length of your hair. So if you have really short hair, you can just twist it like this and leave it like that. As you can see, my hair is a little bit too long, so it leaves these like kind of awkward like floppy pieces, and it's just not really that cute on me. If I didn't have layers, it could be kind of a vibe, but it just gets kind of annoying. So if you have longer hair, you can double or triple twist, which is what I do. So I just do this little twist, I twist it down, and then I just kind of twist it back up like that, and then I take my clip, oh my god, I take my hair clip and I just do. And then from the front, I like to take my little face framing pieces out. And there you go. You've got like a nice little updo. This can make you look really put together. Or if you're literally just like running to the store or something and you just throw your hair up like this, I feel like it looks really casual. Okay, so the next hairstyles are all gonna be like some variation of a half up, half down. I kind of do them different ways depending on what my mood is. So the first way that I like to do it is I literally just like go like this, and I get like super messy with it. And I usually, if I'm doing this, I like to use a scrunchie. I have like a bunch of velvet scrunchies that I like to use. They're all from Claire's, and if you have little like face framing pieces, they'll just kind of naturally like fall out, which is what you want. I feel like face framing pieces make your hair just look so much better no matter what style you're doing. Just go like that. And I like to keep it pretty loose when I do it like this. If you have it like too tight to your head, it just makes it look kind of weird. So this is the first way that I like to do a half up, half down. I think it's very cute. So the next way that I like to do a half up, half down, I learned this from this girl that I follow on TikTok, and her hair is significantly longer than mine, so it looks a little bit different on her. It only kind of works on me sometimes. We're gonna hope it works for the sake of this video. So basically what you do is you just kind of lean towards the front and you just pull out maybe like an inch. This looks so creepy. And then we're just gonna section that off. Okay, so now that you look crazy, basically what you're gonna do is just take, again, like the top half of your hair. You might have to flip your hair forward a little bit to kind of get rid of the part. Okay, and then I like to use a hair tie for this, not a scrunchie, so I'm just taking this out. Okay, then you're gonna wanna kind of go like this. And then, okay, so I wear this look one of two ways. I either leave the face framing pieces out like this, which looks really cute, kind of makes me feel like a child a little bit with like this being so high, but I think it's cute. The other way that I like to wear it is the way that the girl on TikTok wears it, which is where you literally like tuck your hair, like you just tuck those pieces back, so then it looks, I don't know, it just kind of gives it like a different look. The only thing is sometimes it looks a little bit weird on me because these pieces are so short, and when she does it, she has like really long hair. Also, when I do this, sometimes I take out like a super tiny piece on each side, and then I'll just leave it like this. You kind of get both. You get like this look, and you also get these little front pieces. The key to this look is definitely you want this to like sit right on the crown of your head so that it does that little like bouncy thing. Does anybody else have like super staticky hair? That's like one thing that I am struggling to figure out right now, is my hair just gets so staticky. Maybe I just need to buy a new hairbrush. Okay, now that my hair is somewhat back to normal, I have one last half up, half down. So the last way that I do half up, half down is first I flip my hair down. And this just kind of gets rid of the part that you have in your hair. And then I let it go and I go like this. And I like to keep this a little bit messy on the top. One thing I do is whenever I'm pushing my hair straight back like this, I never like use a brush or anything. I just use my fingers because I like it to be a little bit messy. I don't want there to be any like huge bumps. Generally, I like to keep it a little bit messy. I just think it looks kind of like too clean if you keep it really flat to your head, but that's just me personally. So then what I like to do is I'm just gonna take another claw clip. I'll use the tortoiseshell one this time just to mix it up a little bit. That might have been out of focus. I'm really sorry. So then I like to pull out some pieces. Okay, this didn't really come out that cute. Sometimes my hairstyles don't come out cute, and I just kind of live with it because I'm too lazy to redo it. Okay, while I still have my hair kind of messed up, I'll show you, I rarely wear my hair in a ponytail because I don't really like the way that it looks on me, but when I do, this is how I do it. So I usually have to flip my hair down a little bit, and then what I like to do is just take out some little front pieces like so, and then I just flip my hair down again. And again, I'm not really too concerned with how clean this looks. I like it a little bit messy, so I don't use a hairbrush or anything. I literally just finger comb. And then I have these nice little face framing pieces. I actually really like how this turned out. Wait, should I wear my hair in a ponytail more? I used to say I was sincere. So sometimes I like to wear my hair in a low ponytail. I don't like to do it right down here in the center just because I feel like it kind of makes me look weird. So whenever I do a low ponytail, I always do it to the side. Also, I have kind of a different method that I use for it. It's kind of fancy. I don't know. I've been doing this. I learned how to do this when I was like 8, and I like have not forgotten it since. So basically what you're gonna do is first just put your hair in a side ponytail, but keep it a little bit lower than like the nape of your neck, so like right here for example. So then what you're gonna do is just like make a little hole like so. You might have to like loosen it a little bit, and then what you're gonna do is literally like stick your hand through the hole and grab your hair and pull it through. Obviously right now it looks a little bit crazy, but then what you're gonna want to do is just tighten it like that, and then you can just pull out if you have any little face framing pieces. You might have a little bit more on the side if you part your hair in the middle, and then it just like looks a little bit fancier. If you want to get really fancy with it, you can use one of these little like, this isn't a full-on hair scarf, but it's basically just like a little hair tie with a little bow thingy. And that, as you can see, it just makes it look even fancier, even though it literally takes like 2 seconds to do this hairstyle. If you do want to get one of these little like hair tie thingies, I recommend getting one that's about the same length of what your hair is like in a ponytail. For example, when I had longer hair, I used to always wear this one, but my hair is a lot shorter now, so if I were to wear this, this would end up being longer than my hair, which I feel like looks a little bit weird in a ponytail. So try and find one that's either shorter or about the same length as your hair when it's in a ponytail. Okay, so now that my hair is properly messed up from doing like 6 different hairstyles, I'm gonna show you how I like to curl it. I'll admit I am pretty new to curling my own hair. It's not something that I do very often, but I really like the way it looks, so I think I'm gonna start doing it more. So the curling iron that I'm gonna be using today is the Duvolle, I think it's Duvolle. I don't know, I'll put it up on the screen. This isn't like sponsored or anything. They were just kind enough to send me one and ask if I wanted to use it in a video. They also gave me a coupon code for you guys. It's ARIA70 if you would like to get 70% off, which is honestly such a good deal, and I really like it. It's really easy to use. It comes with a heat protectant glove, which is good for somebody like me who's so inexperienced because I really don't want to burn myself. So I have the curling iron heating up right now, so we'll just go ahead and section off my hair. I only do 2 sections because I'm lazy. If you want more of like a fresh salon look, you could probably do more sections. I also have pretty thin hair, so I don't really have to do a lot of sections. I kind of just go like this. I just use a hair tie. All right, now that we look kind of crazy, one thing I do really like about this curling iron is it heats up very fast, which is great for me because I'm really impatient. So basically what I'm going to do is just take this little front section of hair. I also like the cord is super long. So basically what I like to do is I just wrap it around the curling iron. Also, I always curl away from my face. I say always like I know what I'm doing. I don't. This is falling out. I did not hold that one long enough, but it's okay. And then you're also supposed to like catch the curl afterwards and hold it. I'm just gonna do this piece again because I kind of messed up. So I would say I maybe take like 1 inch or 2 of hair. I don't know, I kind of use it to create more of like a wavy look rather than super tight curls. You should definitely spray your hair with heat protectant before you do this. I just don't have any, but you should definitely spray your hair with heat protectant. Also, I've read that you really shouldn't ever have your hair on the curling iron for longer than like 10 to 12 seconds. I've been doing about 6 to 7 seconds. So then the top layer of your hair is where it really matters. So honestly, as long as your front pieces look good, people won't really notice if the rest of your hair isn't looking that good. For the top layer of my hair, I basically just repeated the same process, curling away from my face, holding for about 5 to 6 seconds. Again, if you mess up, just kind of brush it out and redo it. Will you damage your hair a little bit by having to curl more than once? Maybe. This is the final product, and this is how I have been liking to wear my hair, just with kind of these like loose waves. They look very effortless, even though it takes me like 20 minutes to do because I'm kind of new to curling my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, maybe got some new hairstyles. Again, make sure to check out the link in my description if you want to use the same curling iron and use my code ARIA70 to get 70% off. It's honestly a really good deal, and I promise it's a really good curling iron, and I'm just very new to curling my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for 4,000 subscribers. We just hit it a few days ago when I'm filming this, and now the day that I'm filming this, we're already at 4,200. You guys are absolutely amazing, and I seriously appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye! Waiting for the curling iron to heat up because I thought I had it plugged in, but I didn't because I'm stupid. My new hit single, Waiting for the Curling Iron, will be streaming on iTunes. It'll be linked down below if you guys would like to purchase it. Is this hot yet? It's getting there. It's getting there.